Jamie, what are we doing today?
We are doing experiments. This is a volcano experiment.
The Volcanic Eruption and Lava Lab, which is very cool.
Yes, you always need to put these.
Goggles on.
Because
the gloves are big, but Jamie's gonna do his best in these big kid-sized gloves.
measure about 3 milliliters of clean tap water into gas barrel.
Okay, so we got our tap water. Here's our beaker. Here we go. That's literally like 3 drops of water. Okay, 3 milliliters of water into Gas Valley, which is this little compartment here. Okay, put it in there. Very nice. All right, step 2.
Use tweezers and scissors to chop one strip of pH paper into gas valve. Store it clean until one goes greenish yellow.
Stir.
The queen strings.
Okay, get one of those. Until the water goes greenish yellow. The water is a little greenish yellow, so far so good. Okay, step 3.
Make 2 lava bombs.
Make 2 lava bombs? Well, how do we make lava bombs?
Beaker. Citric acid and sodium bicarbonate.
Okay, citric acid, boom. Sodium bicarbonate, boom. How much of each?
1 scoop of citric acid.
1 scoop of citric acid. You took your safety gloves off. Now truly, these are very safe chemicals. Citric acid is just acid that comes from, you remember what? Citric fruits, like pineapple or lemons. And sodium bicarbonate is just baking soda. So really, these are pretty safe chemicals. This is the citric acid scoop. This is the baking soda scoop.
I have no cuts.
1. That's right. You said only 1 of citric acid. You said you have no cuts because what did the instructions tell us about the citric acid?
If it gets into hot cut, it stinks.
If it gets into cuts, it stings, which is one of the reasons why we're supposed to be wearing gloves. What else do we need?
2 scoops of sodium bicarbonate.
2 scoops of sodium bicarbonate using a different scoop because we don't want to cross-contaminate. Cross-contaminate means that we are mixing stuff together that isn't supposed to be mixed together. 1 and 2.
Add only 2 drops.
Only 2 drops. You can drop just 2 in there. Can you do it? Ooh, it's gonna have to take steady hand, gentle squeezes, and patience. Two. Yeah, they came out really fast, didn't they? All right, clean stir stick.
So crumbly.
It's all crumbly, that's right.
Oh.
So here's the mold. Our 2 lava bombs. ready to go back to the other experiment.
15 milliliters plain water into each crater. Gently slide the bombs into the craters at the same time.
Same time.
Don't let the lava splashes spill into gas wall. Keep checking the code. But for the water in the gas valley, should it start to go yellow? Let me explain what happens.
Okay, I'll take one bomb,
I'll take the other.
and you take the other. At the same time, wait for me. Ready, set, go. Woohoo!
It's raining.
Yeah, now we have to carefully check the water because this, come over here. Yeah, so this water is red over here and orange over here. This water should start to turn yellow instead of green. Is that happening? No, it's not. The gases are from the eruption are supposed to be changing this to a different color. No, this. Squeeze this liquid up and see what color it is. It's green. So, did it change to a different color?
No.
No, it was supposed to change to yellow though. That experiment was a bust. But what was supposed to happen? It was supposed to turn yellow. What happens when this indicator paper turns yellow? What does that mean? You don't remember? Well, Jamie, let's read what was supposed to happen. Here.
The carbon dioxide gas flows down the cascade and collects in the valley. It slowly dissolves in the water to make it a very mild, safe acid called carbonic acid.
Carbonic acid.
That means the indicator is yellow.
Okay, so what was supposed to happen is gases, see this little crevice here? Gases were supposed to come up and then fall down into this water, which makes the water turn yellow. What did it turn into?
Green.
Yeah, for us it turned into green. Well, what chemical was it supposed to turn into? Was that?
Carbonic acid.
Carbonic acid. And an acid will turn the indicator paper
Yellow.
Yellow. Well, that would have been cool to see, but it didn't work for us. What do you think could have gone wrong in our experiment, Jamie? What do you think we did wrong?
We didn't stir it.
Maybe we didn't stir it. Maybe we should have stirred it. Maybe we didn't do that. The instructions didn't tell us to. What would stirring have done?
You flopped it over the side.
It flops it over the side? Yeah, stirring it makes it flop over the side. That's true. That would have changed something. Yeah. I think maybe we didn't wait long enough for the water to change colors. We waited like a minute.
But
It doesn't say how long we were supposed to wait. Oh, here's something that we could have done wrong, Jamie. Read. Drafty. That's a weird word.
The room is drafty. When rent a car or paper together the credit.
Well, is the room drafty? Is there a wind blowing around? No, but read this one.
Don't read the friend or who that could blow away the carbon dioxide gas.
Did we do that?
No.
Were we moving around or getting close to it, like breathing on it? Yeah, we were. Yeah. Where are you going?
Because it's volcanic gas.
It's not, well, it's carbon dioxide. You know what else is carbon dioxide?
Breath?
Your breath is carbon dioxide. So is it going to be poisonous?
No.
Not in small amounts, no. Did we breathe on the experiment and move around? Yeah. You know what? You had the right idea at first. You walked away from the table and you were holding your breath. And I was like, no, come in close, man. Let's look at it. I was probably the one who ruined it. If we had done what you did and stayed back, it might have worked.
That was a bust.
That was a bit of a bust, but you know, a part of science is failing. Science, if you don't do everything just right, things don't work out the way they're supposed to, and you learn something. What did we learn?
We learned that failure is not an option.
Failure is not an option, but failure is an option. We just failed. Right?
Failure is not an option.
It's not an option? That's what they say on Mythbusters. I know. But did we fail?
Yes.
Yeah. Because we made a mistake. Did we learn from our mistake?
Yes.
What are we not going to do if we try this again?
Not wait so long.
Yeah, we're going to wait longer. We're going to wait longer. And what else are we going to not do? Breathe on it and move around. Exactly. So we learned something.